NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price has started this rise from 20,000 as a round number, where indecision candle formed on a Monday. And then on a Tuesday we can see that the price has formed this bullish candle, where this bullish momentum has continued to rise in value for several 2 days. And that means bullish break at about 20,446, and the next one was at 21,000. We can see on a Friday the price has formed this indecision candle, which usually means after this candle formation with these two candles is continuation of that momentum that has been before, and that means a bullish momentum. A weekly time frame shows me currently a bullish, we can see that a strong bullish candle where the price has formed a bullish break at about 21,000, which is great information for the bulls. And if we take a look on the monthly time frame, it is the same scenario where this month has just started. So we have a bullish candle trying to make a break at about 21,000. So for the monthly time frame, there is nothing currently visible what could happen, because we have several weeks to see what could happen. But first of all, it is mandatory for the price to stay above 21,000 in order to be a bullish breakout. A weekly time frame shows me similar scenario like on the monthly time frame. The first level is 21,000 that needs to be confirmed, and that means next week the price should not return back below. If it returns, this will be a bullish breakout, which could trigger a sell-off going even further down below 20,000. Now the daily time frame shows much better situation. I will also put these levels next week. What is the target? Because we can see that the price is currently at the all-time high price level. This means the bulls are currently running on the market, so I'm expecting that the price will rise in value. Which level will be, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. What is the next level, and also how the price behaves during each day, during the week. What could be the price target for the market. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.